Getting started with investing your extra money can seem complicated, but it can be broken down into a few key steps. 1. Set some goals. Before diving in, figure out what you're saving for. Is it a short-term goal like a down payment on a car in a few years, or a long-term goal like retirement, decades away? This will influence what kind of investments are best for you. 2. Sock away some cash. Building a safety net is crucial. Aim to have enough savings to cover unexpected expenses, 3-6 months of living costs, before you start investing. 3. Pick an account. Open an investment account. There are two main options: a regular taxable brokerage account or a tax-advantaged retirement account, like an IRA. Retirement accounts offer tax benefits, but restrict access to your money until retirement. 4. Choose your investments. There are many options, but some good starting points for beginners include high-yield savings accounts, low risk, low return, but very safe and easily accessible. Mutual funds and ETFs. These pool your money with others to buy a variety of investments, spreading out the risk. 5. Consider your risk tolerance. This is how comfortable you are with the possibility of losing money. Generally, long-term goals can handle more risk, like stocks, for potentially higher growth, while short-term goals need safer options, like bonds. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick and focus on a long-term approach. There are many resources available to help you learn more, like investment websites and financial advisors.